Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how to change your messenger theme into dark mode. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So to change your messenger theme into dark mode, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your messenger. Once you're on messenger, next, go to the menu. Then after that, go to settings. And once you're on settings, you will now be able to see the dark mode option. Just go and tap it. And to finally turn the theme into dark mode, just select the turn on option. And after that, congratulations, it's done. Your messenger will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.